Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Bro AJ. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Alright, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Bro AJ, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, a channel that gives back to the hood so you know what's good. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hit like if you haven't. Now, don't mind the voice, I'm actually real sick, which is why I don't seem to be in the mood in this video like I am with my previous videos. So, just bear with me, guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna have music in the background here today because I don't know if you guys can even hear me well. I'm real sick right now. But anyways, this is an early look. In just a few days from now, we have something called the mono pack that's about to release. But the thing is, there's 4 different colorways included for this mono pack, but we only see 3 listed right now via YeezySupply.com, and I believe the reason for that is 3 of the colors will release on the 18th, while the final colorway, this one right here, is set to release on another date. Now, it is to my belief, and you know, according to sources that I have, they're telling me it may come out on the 24th. Just to let you guys know, there is a possibility that this pair right here, the Mono Cinder, may release on the 24th. Maybe it will, maybe it will not. But anyways, let's take a look at this Yeezy 350 V2 Mono Cinder. And shout out to Yeezy Influence, aka Influence Visions, for this pair right here, because he helped me get this pair. You know, it's my guy right there. Appreciate you, man. Take a look at this. Of course, every time I get an early look that's being shipped to me out of one of the Yeezy factories, it's not going to be in the original box and all that. I don't think they really produced the boxes for these shoes right after they finished producing the samples. So yeah, they just put in whatever packaging they feel like putting it in. Oh boy, this is fire right here. Oh yeah, I'm feeling these. What? Okay. It's got me in the mood a little bit. Yo, what do you guys think? Cop a drop, let me know. Here's a close-up. Out of all the black 350 V2s, I feel like this is definitely my favorite of all. And what's crazy is, you know, this design over here, I don't know, I just want to see how it's going to look when I put different colored socks on this shoe right here. I already did that with the other pair that I have here, the Mono Ice. I did it in a previous video. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. But yeah, this is nuts. This is nuts. Monofilament mesh all over this shoe. Hence why it's called the Mono Pack. All these shoes feature monofilament mesh on the upper. And around the lace area here, the lace holders, look what they've added. Did that for support. It's a nice touch, nice look as well. Yeah. The inside over here, I don't know if you guys can see this right here, is basically what creates that pattern you see inside the monofilament mesh, and it feels like the same sway that they use for the Yeezy Quantum toe cap area, excluding the barium, because I feel like when it came to that colorway, the Quantum barium, the toe cap was slightly different. But you know, for the other ones like OG and such, feels like the same material that they're using on the inside here. Yeah. We got the pull tab, it's back for all 4 colorways within the mono pack. And here's the bottom, black on white. For those who don't know, this features Boost. Boost is very, very comfortable. I recommend you get your pair that contains Boost if you don't have one as of yet. So you guys, the insole real quick. It's a nice orange. Nice orange for sure. Okay. How's the glue in this pair? Not that bad. They gave me a pretty decent batch. I'm glad they did. The shoelaces are made of monofilament mesh as well, guys. Just letting you know. Yeah, I'm sick. Need to hop back on that alkaline diet. Alright guys, so it's time to give you that up close look on feet. Let's get to it.
Es que estos panchos yo los puncho como un pincho y los plancho, puncho limpio. Tu cuero está ancho como quiera el toto le hincho. Soy un tipo culto como ni sin bulto. Si tú eres alto, yo eres alto, en el asalto yo resulto. No hay guares que me asaren ni se compare. Con las rimas malabares, le dan malestares cuando viajo a diferentes lugares.
designs locked in my closet. I'm opposite of dirty, final rockin' sneaker releases a season early, y'all remember. I had the high like low since September, comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter, Mars yellow with the Gucci sweater. A groupie fella, who does it better? I run tracks on acapellas, I run tracks and whack rappers in this era, cause I'm better. Get fed up, get wet up if you think you gon' play me in a setup.
As you can see, guys, this is not like the mono ice where the coloring of your sock will pop out a lot through these holes. With this pair, it's not as vivid. It's not. Well, there you have it, guys. The Yeezy 350 V2 Mono Cinder, set to drop on the 24th of this month, I believe. June 24th. I could be wrong. You can go true to size. Can't go true to size. No need to go half a size up. Well, it depends. I say if you have wide feet, then do it. And honestly, if you check within EasySupply.com, they tell you to do it. Now, I don't know. For me personally, going true to size fits. It fits just fine. I'm only telling you guys to do it if you have wide feet just because the website recommends it. To keep it a buck with you guys, I got wide feet too, so I don't get it. I really don't understand the situation with what they're telling us to do via Yeezy Supply. I really don't get it. But anyway, stay tuned, guys, because I have another early look coming through soon. You already know. Plus, we got another giveaway coming through, you know, just like we do on the first of every month. So you already know what time it is. Thank you for tuning in. God bless y'all. Peace.